What's really behind that stomachache when you skip breakfast? Spoiler, it's your body switching on a cellular cleaning mode that can slow down aging. Welcome back to Longevity Blueprint. I am Katie, and today we will understand the power of intermittent fasting and autophagy, the biological process that turns hours without eating into extra years of life. Autophagy literally means self-eating, but it's not as scary as it sounds. In 2016, scientist Yoshinori Ohsumi won the Nobel Prize for proving that when we go without food, our cells enter survival mode and start breaking down old defective parts to recycle them into energy. The result? Less cellular junk, linked to Alzheimer's, cancer, and accelerated aging. A 2019 New England Journal of Medicine study found that a 16-hour fast increases autophagy activity by 300%. It's not just about not eating, it's about when you stop eating. Johns Hopkins research shows that autophagy really kicks in after 14 to 16 hours without food. That's why the 16-8 protocol, 16 hours fasting, 8 hours eating, is the darling of the science community. But be careful. Going past 24 hours unsupervised can make your body burn muscle instead of fat. Yes, that includes your hard-earned six-pack. Practical protocols. 16-8. Fast from 8 p.m. to noon. Perfect for beginners. 5-2. 2 days a week with only 500 calories. University of Southern California research shows benefits against diabetes. Your gut is your second brain, and intermittent fasting is the detox it deserves. Cell 2022 studies show that fasting periods reduce gut inflammation and increase beneficial bacteria like Akkermansia, linked to weight loss and immunity. Bonus, fasting may help seal a leaky gut, a hidden cause of allergies and autoimmune disease. Translation, fewer eating hours equals fewer chances of your gut becoming a toxin sieve. To boost the effect, drink lemon water or ginger tea during your fast. They stimulate bile flow, which sweeps your intestines. Forget weight loss. The real superpowers of fasting are neurological. Anyone who's fasted knows, after the initial hunger, there's a strange, almost supernatural mental clarity. Here's why. During fasting, your brain burns ketone bodies, a more efficient fuel than glucose. A 2020 MIT study found this improves memory and creativity by 20%. That's why Elon Musk and Joe Rogan swear they work better on an empty stomach. Just don't try this before a tense meeting. The hangry is real. Plus, autophagy clears toxic proteins linked to Alzheimer's. To supercharge it, drink green tea, rich in adenine. It reduces anxiety without breaking your fast. Hormonal. Here's a little-known secret. Intermittent fasting reprograms your hormones. University of Alabama research found that a 14-hour fast reduces insulin resistance by 53%, a game changer for pre-diabetics. Another hero, growth hormone GH, which spikes during fasting, preserving muscle and burning fat. Think of it as having an internal personal trainer for free. But attention, women with hormonal imbalances, e.g. PCOS, should start with shorter fasts, 12H, and monitor signs like excessive fatigue. Skin aging. Want a natural Botox? Autophagy also recycles damaged collagen, the one that causes sagging and wrinkles. A 2023 Korean study in the Journal of Dermatological Science found that intermittent fasting increases type 1 collagen production by 40% after 6 months. And combined with vitamin C, found in kiwi and bell peppers, the effect is even stronger. Translation, less eating time equals more time looking like you've frozen time. That's why cats who take mini fasts between naps always seem younger than their owners. Other benefits include lowering blood pressure and triglycerides and protecting healthy cells during chemotherapy. Want to maximize the effect? Combine fasting with 1. Black coffee. Caffeine stimulates autophagy. 2. Fast state exercise, running before breakfast, doubles fat burning. 3. Good sleep. Deep sleep is the master reset for autophagy. If you train in the morning, have a sugar-free coffee 30 minutes before, it's like a whip for lazy cells. And what science really say about autophagy myths and risks? Myth 1, fasting burns muscle. False. Studies show that up to 48 hours of fasting preserves lean mass. Myth 2, everyone can do it. Caution. Pregnant women, type 1 diabetics, and those with eating disorders should avoid it. If you faint at the sight of a donut, maybe start with 12 hours, not 16. Baby steps, people. Now, do you want to know the future of autophagy? Scientists are developing drugs that mimic fasting, like Rapamycin, which activates autophagy without hunger. A Science Translational Medicine study showed it extended mice's lives by 20%. But until then, the safest, cheapest way is just not eating for a few hours. Finally, intermittent fasting isn't a diet, it's an evolutionary upgrade. Start today with 12 hours, increase gradually, and comment below which benefit surprised you the most. And if you want to dive deeper into longevity science, subscribe. Every week, a new evidence-based protocol to help you live longer and better. If this video blew your mind even a little, smash the like button and subscribe for weekly insights on the science of staying young. Hit that bell so you never miss out. Thank you for watching. And remember, aging gracefully is good, but aging slowly is even better.